Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Today I'm finally gonna be coming around to reviewing the Blood Sugar palette. So I got the Blood Sugar palette when the Liquid Frost, wow, that was a loud thingy. What is it called? Tongue snap? No, I know that has a name. What is that? I don't know. I got the Blood Sugar palette when the Liquid Frost dropped. So I believe it was a Friday or Saturday that Jeffree dropped it, but I was at the mall already that day and I wanted to get it online because I only thought it was only online because, you know me, I don't pay attention to every detail. So I went ahead and I was like, let me just check if they have the Morphe store that I actually went to the grand opening. I'll put it in the this thingamajigger tab thing. They were sold out that day and I really wanted this palette, and I was like, I kind of don't want to wait for shipping and I kind of don't want to pay shipping and all that stuff. So I was like, let me just see if they have it at the Morphe store. That they did have it in store, but I was like, do you guys have Liquid Frost in store, or is it like an online thing he only dropped? They're like, no, we have them here. I was like, yes! This is the Liquid Frost. I got Canary Bling. Excuse my hands. I'm trying to grow out my fingernails because I'm kind of like tired of always getting acrylics and stuff, but just, you know. And I did swatch all of them in store, and I was like just thinking like, for me in person, I do have more of like a yellow undertone to me, so I'm like, okay, what is more versatile? Like, what can I pair with things that is like more my complexion and I can still kind of like use it for body stuff? So I tried them all in the store. I really don't want to break the seal in the box just because it looks so cute, so I've been opening from the bottom. I did wear this already and it's mad cute, but I'm going to show you guys a little swatch. But before that, I'm going to show you guys the bottle. Oh, the bottle's like this, so that's how the bottle looks. And Jeffree did show this on what is it called, on his Instagram and Snapchat, like how he uses it and stuff. So let me show you guys how he says. So this is, it says to shake well, so I'm gonna shake it, and then it says to twist the top open, 1, 2, 3, twist up, and it comes up just like this. Ooh, just a close up, look at this. Look at this, guys. There's like some pink reflections, but how cute is this? Look at my hairs, it looks so cute. So cute. That is Canary Bling. Now my hands and everything is gonna be with it, so looking mad cute. And then let's move on to the Blood Sugar. Knew that this was gonna be really big and everything, but Jeffree has made a point for like packaging, but like I've never seen anything in my entire life a palette have like these like lock things, like, and then when you have it in person, like, this is heavy, like it has weight to it, which I love. You just think it's a lot more expensive. What you are giving him for the product, you are definitely like getting it back. Like, it's beautiful. Like, these, you get so many shades in here. I believe you get a total of 18 shades. 18. Kind of sticks a little bit, but ooh, I kind of have to like get it from like a few sides to open it. But girl, this palette is so cute. I'm so excited. I've been literally like waiting and waiting for me to film this video because I really want to you know, use this on my eyes. But yeah, let me show you guys an up close. Let me just get situated, and yeah, but before I do start my face, I'm just gonna do like something very simple and stuff. Before I do that, I kind of want to do swatches, so here we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swatch the entire row instead of going from the first color and then each one. I'm gonna do the first row, second row, and then third row. Sugarcane, cake mix, ouch, donor, and I think the last shade is called intravenous. So the next shades I'm gonna do is Candy Floss, Tongue Pop, Sweetener, Cavity, O Positive, and Root Canal. So the last row is going to be Prick, Cherry Soda, Fresh Meat, Blood Sugar, Extraction, and Coma. Okay, so I'm just going to take a crown brush. This is a Pro Blending Fluffy brush. It's a little dirty, but I mean, it's not dirty, it just looks dirty. It's just tinted from an eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go ahead and do Sugarcane. A few fall out, but not too crazy. I'm gonna go in with Tongue Pop with the same brush. I kind of feel like I want to do a little bit of Prick or Cream Soda here. You know, I'm going to do Prick. Grab a smaller, and this is a Morphe blending brush. I'm going to grab just a little bit of Prick. Literally just lightly tapping on top of the shade. And I'm just going to put that on the outer V, just focusing on this little corner right here. Now, I want to take Sweetener, and I kind of want to do like a little situation here, if you know what I'm talking about, but I need to cut my crease a little bit, so let me do that. I'm just going to grab Sweetener with that same brush, and I'm just going to pack it right on top. Oh my god, guys, love this. This is so cute. Just add a little bit of Prick, a little bit on the outer, and y'all, this look is so cute. Like, I can't get over this effect. Let's see, what shade should I do for the inner corner? I think we should do Candy Floss. I think we should, and I think we should use Canary Bling and then put Candy Floss on top. So now that I have the eyeshadow how I like it, I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and just finish my face, put some lashes, liner, and the rest of the face, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I just, as you saw, wiped off the excess of my baking powder, and I'm thinking I should do like a very toned down lip, just because I want to keep the focus of the eyes, the pop of color on the eyes. So I'm going to be using, of course, Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Calabasas. And now to finish this look, I'm just going to put a little bit of Canary Bling on the high point of my cheeks so we can finish our look with some highlight. And I'm literally just going to use a tiny bit because a little bit of this goes a long way. My final thoughts. Did we really think that he was going to disappoint? No. And he sure didn't. I absolutely love this palette. Super cute. I never thought I was gonna like you know, like a pink frosty highlight like this. So cute. Jeffree, like, no one can do it like you, boo. No one can. Absolutely love. Let me know what you guys think about this final look. I really hope you guys like me basically like reviewing and swatches of Jeffree's new stuff. I mean, he always blows me away with like pigmentation and everything. Like, he pays so much attention to everything. I love Jeffree Star and Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and yeah, I just, you know, I love it all around. Yeah, I can't stop looking at myself in the monitor, guys. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think about this look, and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. There's gonna be a few more videos that I haven't planned in my mind. Sorry for being MIA again for 2 weeks, but I'm back. I'm coming back to my schedule. Just work and everything started up again, so it's gonna be a little hectic, but I really like how this look came out, and I can't wait to see what I have in store for the new season. You guys know I love fall. I already got my candles going and everything, but let me know if you guys have any suggestions for the fall and autumn season, what you want to see. I also have some Halloween looks in mind, and if you want to see a specific look, maybe I'll try it out. So leave it in the comments down below. And before you guys go, don't forget to like this video to let me know what kind of content you like seeing. Don't forget to subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I'm on the road. I really want to hit 1K, which would mean so much to me to hit 1K. It would just, you know, validate all the hard work that I've been doing. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.